back again, believe it or not, because I just didn't load and it didn't record any sound, even though my microphone was flashing. I don't know what that means. So anyway, I've done a load and haven't documented it because, well, I did, but maybe I'll insert the bits of me bringing stuff in, speed it up, but without any sound because there wasn't any so much as put music to it. So anyway, let me show you what I've been up to out here in my little new lean-to polytunnel. So I can get you in. I've done like some kind of bench and so that I can sit, and I'm going to give these all a good wash. Let's make sure that we're going to give these all a good wash. Need to get new labels, can you see? So I've bought all my pots from down in the shed and put them underneath. But the temperature's not too brilliant in here today. About 10 Celsius, which is about 45 Fahrenheit, which is not ideal for seed sowing. So I'm not actually going to sow any because I've got to wash all these. But I've got all my packets of seeds, so let's go through them. But I have planted some already that are in the dining room, so I did manage to get my delphiniums. These are Pacific Giant mix. Got Cosmia there. Is that the same as Cosmos? And that's Sensation mixed. Petunias. And these are F2 Colorama mixed. I think I showed you these, the lupins from before. I showed you those poppies that I can't show yet from before. I've got Lobelia, Colour Cascade mix. Alison, these are my staple I get every year. It's Carpet of Snow. And of course, Andrynums, Tom Thumb mixed. And then just the Larkspur and the cornflowers. And I've got the Nicotinia that are already in the dining room. I don't want to bring them out till it warms up out here. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and I've got 8 seed trays to be putting them in. So they'll be ready to go in, and then I still haven't put those in, which I must do this month. But the weather is just foggy and grey and a bit cold. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to get a bucket of water and wash all these because I don't want any cross contamination from last year's crop. So I'm hoping that this little greenhouse will help, especially with the sowing and with the starting off, because it is quite bright, as you can tell. It doesn't really get a lot of sun, which I think is probably, it gets the sun in the morning if there is any sun, but if it's like this, it's still quite bright. So yeah, I'm hoping that will start my season well. As I say, I've got the wooden cold frame and the cold frame tent, which I need to put together, which I may well put out here. It's funny when the sun's out here, it seems darker. I don't know why. Just, which it wouldn't be, would it? Why would it be brighter on a dull day than on a sunny day? Doesn't make sense. So I'm sitting on my little stool, which is my little garden caddy tidy thing, and I can be sitting at my seed thing and be working away. I can pop you on there and you can see my little green. And you can bend down and show you what I'm doing. So that'll be it before I break anything. So I'll see you either later on or in the next one. Bye for now.